Card Deck, Story 12.
Behold the Emperor, whose reign is built on wisdom, not domination. He embodies
his mind logical, his emotions tightly guarded.
Power must serve wisdom, not domination. This is the discipline required of leadership.
His crown was heavy, not with jewels, but with responsibility.
If he loses control, everything he protects will collapse.
I do not love lightly. I never say, I miss you. Instead, I ask, are you safe? His love was not loud. It was practical.
Secure the Eastern Gate.
He loved through responsibility, loyalty, protection, and long-term commitment.
When the Emperor chose someone, he chose with commitment, not impulse. He thought of marriage, stability, and family. A future built to last.
Yet he protected his heart as carefully as he protected his kingdom.
The Emperor's true strength did not reveal itself in comfort or emotion. It revealed itself in the world of career and authority. When leadership was required, he stepped forward.
Yet power carried a shadow. Work became life. Control became obsession. And slowly, personal life faded into the background.
When something had to be built from nothing, he stood firm. And when responsibility demanded courage, he did not look away.
He ruled not only kingdoms, but systems, businesses, governments, structures that held the world together.
He became the manager who decided when others hesitated. The commander who carried responsibility for many lives. The lawmaker who believed order was the backbone of peace. The builder who laid foundations meant to last longer than himself. His success did not arrive quickly. There were no...
What he built was solid, stable, respected, long-lasting. People trusted him because he did not rule on impulse.
Yet power always carries a shadow. Slowly, work became life. Control turned into habit. Status became identity.
Moments were missed, connections weakened, and personal life quietly stepped into the background.
The Emperor had built an empire, but somewhere along the way, he forgot to step out of it.
The Emperor was known for his strength. He woke early, worked long hours, and never complained. His body obeyed him completely.
If he was tired, he ignored it. If something hurt, he pushed through. He believed this was discipline. But slowly the body began to change. His chest felt heavy at times. His muscles stayed tight
Even at rest, his body ached.
I can control this. He had ruled kingdoms, but he had never rested within himself. Healing did not come from more work.
It came from slowing down, from breathing, from allowing rest without guilt. Strength did not disappear. It became balanced.
The Emperor did not come into this life empty-handed. He came carrying memory, etched into the soul.
In lives before this one, he had known power. He had been the ruler who made laws, the commander who gave orders, the father figure whose words shaped destinies, the authority others feared or obeyed.
Rules had been placed above feelings, discipline above understanding, fear above wisdom. The kingdom functioned, but hearts remained unheard.
So in this lifetime, power felt heavier. Not because it was greater, but because the soul remembered.
Only when he learned to listen did the ruler change. Strength remained, but it was guided by understanding.
My lord, the grain was ours by right.
But the river took our fields. We only ask what is fair. He did not become weaker. He became wiser. He remained firm, but fair.
He kept structure and added empathy.
He learned that leadership was not about standing above others, but standing for them. And in that moment, the Emperor became a true leader.
When the Emperor appears in your life, he is not asking you to dominate, because true power is not about control. True power is self, mastery. The Emperor does not rule to control the world. He rules to protect what truly matters.